how to fix Google Play Store not working. So the first thing that you can do is simply remove your Play Store from background running. For that, what you're going to do is simply tap on this specific icon that you can see on your navigation bar. This icon might be right here on your phone. So you can simply tap on this icon and then you can simply remove the Play Store. Just swipe it up and like that you can remove it from background running. So after doing that, you can simply open the application and see if it's working or not. If it's still not working, then we're going to get to our settings. And then from your settings, scroll down, then you can see the option of apps. Simply tap on apps option and then from here, scroll down, then we're going to search for Play Store. In here, you can simply tap on the search icon and simply search for Play Store. Here you can see Google Play Store right here. Tap on it, then we'll get to the settings of it. Then from here, you can scroll down a bit. You can see storage, tap on that. And then from here, you can see the option of clear cache. Simply tap on clear cache. And just like that, you have now cleared all of the cache of Google Play Store. Now we're going to go back in here again. And from here, again, get to the search bar and now search for Google Play Services. In here, you can see Google Play Services right here. Tap on it and again get to its settings. We're going to repeat the same thing. Scroll down, tap on storage. And in here, again, tap on clear cache and also clear the cache of Google Play Services. So after doing that, I'm pretty sure your app will start working. You can now go back and simply open your Play Store and see if it's working or not. So even after doing all of that, if it's still not working, then what you can do is simply uninstall all of the updates. You can again get to your settings and under the app, we're going to search for Play Store again. In here, you can see Google Play Store, again, get to its settings. Then from here, you can see a 3-dot bar right here. Tap on it and then tap on uninstall updates. And all you need to do is simply tap on OK in order to uninstall all of the updates. Then after doing that, you can simply open your Play Store and see if it's working or not. So after doing all of these, I'm pretty sure your App Store will start working. But if it's still not working, then last thing that I would recommend is simply restart your phone. For that, what you're going to do is simply scroll down through your control panel like that. You can see a power button right here. Tap on it. Then you can tap on the restart option right here. And within a few minutes, your phone will successfully be restart. And just like that, you can fix your Google Play Store not working. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.